Let us understand concept of contract costing. Say we are a construction company named XYZ Construction Company. See what we do. We provide a service of construction of residential or commercial building or houses, whereby we are currently working on 5 different sites. It may be residential, it may be commercial. The land is owned by our customer. He hires us to construct the building on that particular land. We construct it at a lump sum amount. Say this contract we have taken at the rate of 200 lakhs, that is 2 crore rupees. This we will be constructing at the rate of 50 lakhs. This rate includes cost of construction, which I'll be bearing, plus my profit. Because I am doing a business, I'll require the profit margin on it. This is my business and I am XYZ Construction Company. Today is say 1/4/2022. On 1/4/2022, there is one customer M, who is having a land and he wants to construct this type of house on this particular land. He hires us to construct this type of particular house. We quote him a rate of 100 lakhs rupees. 1 crore rupees. We will be charging 1 crore rupees. Land is owned by customer M. All other raw material, any other expenditures will be borne by me. I will be totally charging 100 lakhs rupees for construction of this house. Let us give this project name House M. See, this is our 6th project, right? Which is nothing but House. What rate we have quoted? 100 lakhs rupees. All expenditures will be borne by XYZ Construction Company. It might have added some profit margin and total contract price is 100 lakhs. Let us understand first technical word. This 100 lakhs rupees is contract price. It is at cost or it is at cost plus profit? It is at cost plus profit for constructor. For customer M, 100 lakhs rupees will be cost. This is a contract between XYZ Construction Company and customer M. The contract was undertaken on 1/4/2022. Even try to understand how I have quoted this price. 80 lakhs rupees will be my cost. And I have added 20 lakhs rupees of profit. This is my estimated cost. And so this will be my estimated profit. Yes, raw material price may increase, may decrease, and it would affect my ultimate profit or loss. But for the purpose of making it very simple, I will not change any price. My total cost at the end of the project will remain 80 lakhs only. Let us go to 31st March 2023. Exactly after 1 year. The date is 31st March 2023. It is at the end of 1 year. Sir, we should recognize the profit of 20 lakhs. No. Why? The house is only completed this much. The house is not fully completed. House is partially completed. It is under construction. Let me give you some details. As on 31st March 2023, total cost up to the date incurred is Up to date means starting from 1/4/2022 up till 31st March 2023. Total cost incurred is, say, 30 lakhs. We are going to one technical concept. Value of work certified. It is 33 lakhs. Now, what is this? Try to concentrate. The contract was construction of this house. How much this house is completed? Only this much. We will hire an engineer, a valuer, who will value that how much percentage of house is completed. What is my total contract price? 100 lakhs. What is certified? How much percentage is completed? 33 lakhs rupees is completed. Sir, whether this 33 lakhs rupees will be at cost or it will be at cost plus profit, it will be at cost plus profit. See what engineer will say. Your total cost, total contract price is 100 lakhs. As per our estimate, your 33 lakhs rupees work out of this 100 lakhs and not out of 80 lakhs. Out of this 100 lakhs rupees work is completed. So your 33% of work is certified. This is value of work certified. For a contractor, this 33 lakhs rupees is at cost or it is at cost plus profit? It is at cost plus profit. Of course, we are in the books of construction company. So we will be writing cost plus profit. And what is the value of work certified? 33 lakhs. We are also finding out how much is the cost of this work certified. As I told you, this value of work certified is at cost plus profit. I am finding out cost of work certified. Now I will not hire anyone. I will just find out how much percentage of profit is in this. The cost of work certified is, say, 28 lakhs. But what is the total cost up to the date? 30 lakhs. How much cost is of work certified? 28 lakhs. What does this mean? You have done 2 lakhs rupees of work, which is your cost. But that work is not certified by engineer. The engineer says that this will not be counted in your percentage completion at the end of first year. Try to concentrate. So, cost of work uncertified. And now it is not selling price. Now I am talking about cost. How much total cost we have incurred? 30 lakhs rupees. How much is certified? 33 lakhs. But 33 lakhs includes cost plus profit. So what is cost of work certified? 28 lakhs. So what is the cost of work uncertified? Will be 30 lakhs minus 28 lakhs, which is nothing but 2 lakhs rupees. This will be cost of work uncertified. Practically understand, this is a work that we have already done, incurred the cost, but engineer has not valued it. It is at cost price or cost plus profit? It is at cost plus profit. Let me change this figure of cost of work certified to 26.4 lakhs. This is 26.4 lakhs. So cost of work uncertified will also change, and it will become 30 minus 26.4, that is 3.6 lakhs. Why I have taken this? Because I know profit is 20% on selling price. So what is my cost plus profit? 33 lakhs. So 20% of 33 lakhs, if I reduce it, my cost should be 26.4. Let me do it. 33 lakhs minus 20%. Minus 20% is equal to, which is 26.4. Minus 30 will be 3.6 lakhs, is nothing but work uncertified. So we are having the details of year 1. Total cost 30 lakhs. Value of work certified including profit is 33 lakhs. This is normally done by engineer, architect or valuer. Cost of work certified is 26.4 lakhs. How I have found out? Cost of work certified minus profit. I have removed just profit of 20% on sales. My cost of work certified is 26.4 lakhs. 3.6 lakhs. How I have got it? Total cost up to the date is 30 lakhs. But the cost of work certified is only 26.4 lakhs. So 3.6 lakhs rupees work is already done, which is not certified by engineer. This is our detail, and let me take one more detail, which is cash received from customer M is nothing but 20 lakhs rupees. As on which date? 31st March 2023. In this 1 year, we have totally received 20 lakhs rupees from customer. What we'll be drawing is, we will be drawing contract account for year 1, and we will be also preparing pro forma balance sheet for year 1. And please understand, we are writing books of accounts only for this house M. We are not writing books of accounts for this all contract. Yes, we will be writing, yes, but it is separately. Right now, we are concentrating on writing books of accounts only for this particular project. A contract account will be prepared for each project separately. Right now, we are preparing only for project house M. Contract account for year 1 is as good as the trading and profit and loss account of only this project M. Trading and profit and loss account, debit side will be writing down expenditure, credit side will be writing down incomes. Let us first understand work certified. What is work certified up to year 1 is 33 lakhs. Sir, how it should be treated? Work certified is as good as sales, which is a credit sales. We have received the money. Yes, part of the money is received, but we will be regarding it as a credit sales. And why 100 lakhs rupees should not be regarded as my sales? Because understand, under conservatism concept, we have not finished the project. There is a probability that the project will not be finished. So we cannot recognize the full income of 100 lakhs rupees. Sir, why we should not record sales of 20 lakhs? It is cash received from debtors. We are not writing our books of accounts on cash basis. We are writing our books of accounts on mercantile basis. Work certified will be treated as sales, and the sales I will be giving effect in contract account, which is 33 lakhs. I will be writing down on credit side by work certified, which will be 33. Let us go to work uncertified. What is the total work uncertified? 3.6 lakhs. It is work done, but not regarded as a sales. It is not included in work certified. Sir, then this should be treated as closing stock. What is closing stock? The stock lying in our godown which is not yet sold. So the cost is already incurred, but it is not yet sold. So this is regarded as closing stock. Closing stock will appear again on credit side by work uncertified, which is 3,60,000. Sir, where will second effect go? Please concentrate. I am writing second effect. Work certified in balance sheet. Work certified is 33 lakhs. Work uncertified is closing stock. Closing stock second effect is balance sheet asset side. Work uncertified is 3 lakh. But sir, work certified 33 lakhs rupees is credit sales. Credit sales does not appear in balance sheet asset side. I totally agree. Let us finish this and I'll explain you how we are drafting our balance sheet. This is 33 lakhs, 3 lakh 60,000. 3 lakh 60,000 is logically correct. I'll explain you the logic of 33 lakhs, why it is written on balance sheet asset side. So the two effects should be absolutely clear. As far as work certified is concerned, I will be treating it as a credit sales, but second effect I'll be giving balance sheet asset side. Work uncertified 3 lakh 60,000. Sir, what about cost of work certified? We are not writing it down. Total cost up to the date. Now this cost you might have already paid. So it is a cost account a debit to cash. Sir, where the cash account will be prepared? It will be prepared generally for all the projects. It will not be prepared only for this particular project. See, if you are having a common bank account, then it is expenditure account debit to bank. So this will come on debit side. Expenditures always comes on debit side of trading and P&L account, which is total cost up to the date is 30 lakhs. To cost up to date, which is how much? Where second effect will go? Cash account, bank account. Or if it is say cost like depreciation, second effect will be reduction from assets. If the asset is commonly used by all the projects, it will be depreciation and it will be reduced from that particular asset. So second effect may go in cash account, it may go in bank account, it may be reduction from asset, and normal journal entry what we pass will be passing it. There are no opening stocks. Now, what is my profit will be transferred to costing P&L account to profit. This is 36 lakh 60,000 minus 30 lakhs is 6 lakh 60,000. Total is the 36 lakh. Sir, is the house fully constructed? No, it is partially constructed. So this cannot be termed as profit. This cannot be termed as profit. And so this will be regarded as notional profit. What to do about notional profit? Normally it is transferred to costing P&L account. But we will be seeing situation later where even if there is a notional profit in current year, it will not be transferred to costing P&L account. And this is how we draw contract account. Now try to understand actually what we are doing. What was work certified? We treated it as a sales, which was 33 lakhs, minus what was cost of work certified? It is nothing but COGS. If work certified is sales, then cost of work certified is cost of goods sold. And what was cost of work certified is 26.4 lakhs. Sales minus COGS is my profit, and this will be 6 lakh 60,000 rupees. But it is not presented in this manner. It is presented in form of accounts with journal entries. And I have told you second effect of each and everything. Fixed work certified will be written on asset side. Work uncertified logically should be written on asset side. Let us go to cash received from customer. Cash received from customer, we will be passing journal entry bank account debit. Now, which bank account will be debited? If there is a common bank account, we will be debiting that common bank account for all the projects. If we have opened one bank account especially for this project, then I will be debiting that bank account. Where it will be credited, please understand, I will be writing down in my liability side of balance sheet, which is received from customer, bank account debit to customer M. So customer M, How much money I have received? 20. Sir, why it is a liability? Try to concentrate. We have received the money, but the project is not yet complete. Now, it is customary not to write down on a liability side of balance sheet. Rather than the presentation is done in this manner. We add this to, which is the 36 lakh 60,000 minus received from customer M will be 20 lakhs, and this will be termed as net WIP, which will be 16 lakh 60,000. This is how it is presented. Instead of writing on liability side of balance sheet, I write down negative figure on asset side of balance sheet as far as cash received from customer is concerned. So cash received from customer of rupees 20 lakhs. I have passed the journal entry bank account debit to customer M, and this will go on asset side negative. Bank account will be debited. This is the presentation of first year. The question, logical question, sir, work certified is treated as the sales. Why it is written on asset side of balance sheet? Credit sales is never written on asset side of balance sheet. Are debtors written on asset side of balance sheet? Yes. So this logic is clear, right? This is closing stock. 3,60,000 is closing stock. So that logic is clear that it should be written on asset side of balance sheet. But what we have written net, 33 lakhs minus 20 lakhs, which is 13 lakhs. And what is 13 lakhs? Try to understand. What is credit sales that we have considered? 33 lakhs. It is actually work certified. Minus what is the cash received from debtors? 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs rupees is automatically received. What should be the net answer? 13 lakhs. They are our debtors. We have done credit sales but not received the money. Should debtors appear in asset side of balance sheet? Yes. Actually, debtors is appearing on asset side of balance sheet. Difference between this two is nothing but 13 lakhs. So, all logically should be absolutely clear. 33 lakhs, why it is written? 33 minus 20 is my debtors, and 3,60,000 is nothing but closing stock of year 1. Both should be logically written on asset side of balance sheet. We have written it on asset side of balance sheet. This will be year 1 of this particular project, whereby once again the total cost up to the date is 30 lakhs, work uncertified is 3.6 lakhs, value of work certified is 33 lakhs, and cost of work certified is 26.4 lakhs. And so my profit is difference between these two. Cost plus profit minus cost will be nothing but my profit, which is a notional profit because the project is not yet completed. Normally it will be transferred to costing P&L account. Cash received from customer also we have logically written it in at proper place. We are going to year 2. Year 2 is 31st March 2020. Up till this date, total cost incurred up till date is 75 lakhs rupees. Now, what cost is incurred in second year? This is total cost up till the date. So, total cost incurred up to 31st March 2023 was 30 lakhs. So, in current year, you have incurred 45 lakhs more. This is a cost of second year. but total cost incurred up till the date is 75 lakhs. Value of work certified. Value of work certified is 80 lakhs rupees. We know value of work certified is at cost plus profit. What is the profit included in this? Is 16 lakhs. Total profit included in this is 16 lakhs plus cost will be 60. So let me write down another point, that is cost of work certified is nothing but 64 lakhs. Now please understand, if total cost incurred up till the date is 75 lakhs and total work certified up till the date is 64 lakhs. See, the engineer will not be giving the certificate. This is work certified of only year 2. No, this is work certified up till date. So in 2 years, how much percentage you have completed? That is nothing but value of work certified up till the date. Cost of work certified up till the date is 64 lakhs. Total cost that you have incurred up till date is 75 lakhs. So cost of work uncertified will be 75 minus 64, that is 11 lakhs. So see now logically, work uncertified is as good as closing stock. We value it at cost. Work certified is as good as the sales. We value it at selling price. These are all the details available. We are in year 2 and try to understand year 1 balance sheet, pro forma balance sheet we are already having. Which all things we will be carrying forward. First, we are carrying forward work certified as well as work uncertified. From last year's balance sheet, work certified was 33 lakhs to work certified. Actually, it is written in this manner, to WIP. Work certified 33 lakhs and work uncertified is 3,60,000. Again, this is logical because work uncertified is like opening stock. But this is not logical. Why this is not logical? Because it is credit sales of previous year. Credit sales of previous year is never comes in trading or P&L account debit side. We will be understanding logic why we have carried forward this 33 lakhs, but let us first move ahead. In current year, sir, what to do about this received from customer M 20 lakhs? I will be carrying it forward in my balance sheet itself. Received from customer M 20 lakhs. This is my opening balance. Customer M balance 20 lakhs rupees is nothing but opening balance. So all the things in balance sheet I have carried forward. In balance sheet everything should be carried forward, and I have carried forward all three figures: 33 lakhs, 3,60,000 and 20 lakhs. Yes, we don't understand logic of this 33 lakhs, but otherwise these two are absolutely correct. Let us go to year 2. Value of work certified. Work certified is regarded as a sales, credit sales, and cost of work uncertified is regarded as closing stock. So credit sales, work certified will be 80 lakhs. Work certified on credit side by work certified. And how much total work certified is up till the date? 80 lakhs. Have I written total work certified or only work certified? Total work certified up till the date. It is not work certified only of year 2. It is the total work certified. Let us go to work uncertified. Work uncertified is 11 lakhs. What is work uncertified? We treat it as closing stock. Why it is logical? We have incurred the expenditure of 75 lakhs. The valuer has not certified 11 lakhs rupees work. If you want to compare sales, you cannot compare it with total cost incurred. You will have to compare it with cost of goods sold to find out your profit. So this is regarded as closing stock, which is nothing but 11 lakhs. And try to understand cost incurred up till the date is 75 lakhs. But I will not be writing down 75 lakhs. What is the reason? For 75 lakhs is total cost incurred. What journal entry I'll be passing in year 2? I will be passing expenditure account debit to cash, to bank, to fixed asset if the expenditure is like depreciation. Then in current year, we have incurred only cost of 45 lakhs. This 30 lakhs rupees is already incurred in first year. You should write down in trading and P&L account of first year. We have already written. So I will be writing down expenses account debit to cash 45 lakhs in year 2. To cash, bank, assets of 45 lakhs. Also, what will be second effect of this work certified? We take it to balance sheet, to WIP account, work certified 80 lakhs. Work uncertified is the closing stock, so I will be taking it over here, plus work uncertified 11 lakhs. That is the total 91 lakhs. So I have given second effect of this. I have also written cash incurred during the year. Why during the year? Whatever was incurred in previous year, we have already undertaken. Let us find out notional profit of year 2. Balancing figure will be notional profit of year 2. It will be, this is 91 minus 33 minus 3.6 minus 45, which is 9,40,000. 9 lakh. What cash is received during the year? Cash received during the year we have not taken. Let's take it. Cash received from customer M is more rupees 30 lakhs. First we have already received 20 lakhs. Now we have received 30 lakhs. So what we will be doing is bank account debit to customer M 30 lakhs. Bank account we are not preparing. To customer M, additional received is 30 lakhs. What is the total balance? 50 lakhs. It is customary, instead of writing it over here, we deduct it from here, which is how much? 50 lakhs, which is nothing but customer net account is 41 lakhs. That is our asset of WIP. How this is even logical, I'll tell you. What is work certified 80 lakhs? Means we have already done it, we should receive it. What is work uncertified 11 lakhs? This expenditure we have done on behalf of customer M. So our total asset should be 91 lakhs. But we have already received 50 lakhs. So net answer will be 41 lakhs. Also, let me explain you how this works. What is total work certified up till the date? 80 lakhs. What is the total amount received up till the date is 50 lakhs. So remaining 30 lakhs rupees is my debtors. And so debtors, I'll be writing it on asset side of balance sheet, which I have written. Work uncertified is closing stock. So it is absolutely logical. Closing stock is written on asset side of balance sheet. So this is also a logical point. Let us go to this notional profit. How this 9,40,000 came. And then I will also be going to this 33 lakhs. What is the total profit that we have earned up till the date? What is a total work certified up till the date, which is nothing but credit sales, which is nothing but 80 lakhs rupees up till the date. I'm not talking about year 2. Minus what is cost of work certified up till the date. What is cost of work certified up till the date? 64 lakhs. This is up till the date. This is not of current year. This is cost of work certified up till the date. This is the sales value of work certified up till the date. So cost of work certified up till the date is 64 lakhs. As I told you, if we want to find out profit, we should compare sales with cost of sales. This is sales. This is cost of sales. Remaining will be 16 lakhs rupees. This is the profit or notional profit earned up till the date. And how many years have passed? Year 1 and 2. In year 1, we have already recorded a notional profit of 6,60,000 and we might have transferred it to P&L account. And in current year, year 2, we are recognizing 9,40,000. The total of this two will be 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs is the notional profit earned during year 1 and year 2. In year 1, we have recognized in costing P&L account 6,60,000 rupees, and in year 2, we have recognized 9,40,000 rupees. This is nothing but year 2 of Project 10. How this figure came, I'll tell you. 9,40,000. What was the total work certified? 80 lakhs. But right now we are talking only about year 2. So we cannot take total work certified. What we should be taking is only work certified during the year. So this 80 lakhs should be taken as work certified during the year. Sir, but 80 lakhs is total work certified. Agreed. This is total work certified. So only we have written work certified of previous year in opening side, that is on debit side, minus work certified opening is how much? 33 lakhs. In year 1, how much was work certified total? 33 lakhs. Up till year 2, what is the total work certified? 80 lakhs. So during year 2, what is the total work certified is? 47 lakhs. So if you consider these two figures, you have considered 47 lakhs, 80 minus 33. So this should be logical now. I am doing year 2. I should write down work certified during year 2. But on credit side, I am writing total work certified. So on debit side, I am writing opening work certified. And so net effect, what I'll be giving is year 2. During year 2, 47 lakhs rupees work was certified. What is the expenditure of year 2? 45 lakhs plus 3,60,000 is the last year's expenditure, which was not recognized in last year. So we should recognize it in current year, 3.6 lakhs. And 11 lakhs rupees, we have incurred the cost, but it is not included in work certified. So we need to deduct it. Expenditure plus opening stock minus closing stock is nothing but consumed, which is 11 lakhs. It is this figure, and this figure, which will be 45 plus 3.6 minus 11. which is a 37.6. 37 lakh 60,000. 47 lakh 60,000 minus 37 lakh 60,000 is 9 lakh 40,000, which is appearing over. So what we have done, work certified during the year 80 lakhs minus 33 lakhs, and cost incurred during the year, opening plus cost of current paid in current year minus closing is nothing but cost consumed. I will be getting notional profit of 9 lakh 40,000. Also, we have written balance sheet in this manner, and this should be absolutely done. We have completed year 2. What is the total profit up till the date is a 16 lakhs. In year 1, we have recognized 6 lakh 60,000. In year 2, we have recognized 9 lakh 40,000. Let us go to year 3. Year 3 is 31st March 2025. In 31st March 2025, the contracted house was fully completed. As on this date, the contracted house was fully completed. So in year 3, what was work certified was is equal to contract price, was nothing but 100 lakhs rupees. What is the total expenditure incurred was 80 lakhs. What was expenditure incurred up till year 2? Was 75 lakhs. Total cost incurred up till the date was 75 lakhs. So what is expenditure incurred in current year is only 5 lakhs. This is expenditure of current year. What is work uncertified? 0. Work uncertified is 0. What is cost of work certified? We already know what is work certified, 100 lakhs. So cost of work certified is nothing but 80 lakhs total. This is the information given for year 3, that is 31st March 2025. Let us first carry forward all the balances. Work certified is 80 lakhs to WIP. Work certified 80 lakhs. Only one entry because we are just carrying forward the points. Work uncertified 11 lakhs. We all know now the logic of this. Work certified is sir say credit sales. Why I am writing it down? Because on credit side I will be writing down total work certified. So total work certified minus opening balance of work certified will be is equal to work certified during the year. Work uncertified is 11 lakhs. This is opening stock, right? So this should be logical. By work certified, contract price is nothing but 100 lakhs. two effects will be given. One will be given over here, another will be in balance sheet asset side. WIP account, which is nothing but work certified of 100 lakhs. What is work uncertified? Is 0. This was logically correct. 100 minus 80 is 20 lakhs rupees is work certified during year 3. 100 lakhs rupees is total work certified for 3 years. And 80 lakhs rupees was work certified up to 2 years. 2. Expenses of current year. Expenses of current year, we have found out it is nothing but 5 lakhs rupees. I will be finding out notional profit. Balancing figure will be in notional profit 91.5. So this will be 4 lakhs rupees. Expenditure counter effect will go into bank account, cash account, or it will be reduction from asset. Work uncertified is 0, so second effect is not required. This is just balance carry forward, and I have got a notional profit of 4 lakhs. How much total money is received at the end of year 3? I am writing down money received during year 3 is nothing but 50 lakhs. Let me carry forward customers M's account also. Customer M was already 50 lakhs. Customer M was 50 lakhs. Now he has given us remaining 50 lakhs. I will be passing a journal entry bank account debit to customer M of 50 lakhs rupees. Bank account we are not drawing. Customer M will be credited. Received in current year 50 lakhs rupees. This is 100 lakhs. Customarily, it is written on reduction from this M's account, which is nothing but 100 lakhs. My books of accounts of project M is closed. I will be passing a small journal entry, which is work certified account credit and M account debit. So M account will be closed, work certified account will be closed. My books of accounts is closed. What is the total profit earned during the year? What was the total cost? Was 80 lakhs. What was contract price? Was 100 lakhs. So total profit was 20 lakhs rupees. What we have recognized in year 1? 6,60,000. What we have recognized in year 2? 9,40,000. And what we have recognized in year 3 is 4 lakhs. And total of this will be 20 lakhs. So 20 lakhs rupees was profit to be earned. We have distributed in year 1 6,60,000, year 2 9,40,000, and year 3 4 lakhs in the ratio of work completed. And this is how books of accounts of a contractor is written, so that see, if you are recognizing full profit of 20 lakhs in first year, it is not correct, because you are not working in first year fully, and also your project is not completed. You cannot recognize an income of 20 lakhs rupees in first year. You should not even recognize 20 lakhs rupees profit in last year. Why? Because you are working in year 1 and year 2. So in year 1 and year 2, if you are only recognizing your cost, which you will have to recognize because you have incurred, if you are not recognizing any profit, it will not be matching cost concept. If you are recognizing 20 lakhs rupees in third year and recognizing cost over the period of time. So because of matching cost concept, when the cost is recognized year 1, year 2, year 3. When the revenue should be recognized year 1, year 2, year 3. And so notional profit is recognized in year 1, year 2, and year 3 in following manner. What is the way of solving this is this type of account. We will be writing on credit side total work certified. On opening side, we will be writing down work certified in opening. And so I will be getting work certified during the year. Then it is very simple. This is opening stock, expenditure during the year, and closing stock. So opening plus expenditure minus closing will be nothing but expenditure which is consumed during the year, work certified during the year and consumed during the year. I will be getting profit answer. How I got this 4 lakhs rupees? What is work certified during year 3? Was 100 lakhs minus 80 lakhs, which was 20 lakhs. Minus what was expenditure during the year? 5 lakhs. And what was the opening balance? 11 lakhs. There is no closing stock. So 5 lakhs plus 11 lakhs is 16 lakhs. 5 lakhs you have incurred in current year, but from last year you have carried forward a cost of 11 lakhs. The profit is 4 lakhs rupees, which is reflected over. This is how we write down accounts of contractor. Let us even understand recognition of notional profit. So we can easily find out notional profit. We have already found out of year 1, year 2, year 3. Let us take another example whereby a contract will be running for 4 years. And in first year, there is a notional profit or loss. And another concept is estimated profit or loss. Now we already know what is notional profit. Let us understand what is estimated profit. Estimated profit is contract price, that is the total revenue you are going to earn from the project, minus total estimated cost. It is not current year's cost, it is total estimated cost. So total contract price minus total estimated cost is estimate profit of the project. Notional profit is always year wise, right? So understand, in year 1, let me write down over here, it is contract price minus total estimated will be is equal to estimated profit. Say in year 1, you are having a notional profit of 10,000 rupees and estimated profit of 20,000 rupees. How much you will recognize in profit and costing P&L account? Conservatism concept, this is going to be earned. 20,000 rupees is going to be earned. It is not actually earned. 10,000 is actually earned in year 1. I will be recognizing 10,000 in profit and loss account, costing P&L account. If estimated profit, let me take different situation, not only 4 situation. If notional profit was 10,000 and estimated profit was 5,000, again due to conservatism concept, I will be recognizing only 5,000. Will be transferred to costing. So third option, I am having a notional profit of say 10,000 and estimated is loss of 30,000. Estimated loss as per conservatism concept should be transferred to costing P&L account, even if in current year you are having a notional profit of 10,000. So estimated loss, conservatism concept, future expenses or losses should be recorded, future gain should not be recorded. I will be transferring this to costing. Say year 4, I am having a notional loss of 6,000 rupees and estimated is a total loss of, this is a loss making contract. I will be recognizing as per conservatism concept, whichever is worst will be transferred to costing P&L. Last one, fifth one. This loss is 6,000. Estimated loss is 4,000. Which is the worst loss? 6,000 will be transferred to costing. This is just conservatism concept that we are using in contract account. So someone says me, sir, if we are having a notional profit, it will always be transferred to costing P&L account. No, there might be a situation where in a year you might be earning notional profit, but it will not be transferred to costing P&L account. This is recognition of notional profit, whether it should be recognized, to what extent it should be recognized. You should be knowing this particular chart. Let us start with C8.1. A contract is estimated to be 80% complete in first year of construction as a certified. So what is work certified? 80%. Please try to understand, we have not understood the concept of percentage completion. That was missed out in explanation. Percentage completion will be is equal to work certified divided by contract price. Say your contract price is 100 crore. Your work certified is 40 crore. What does it mean? As per architect, 40% of work is complete. So work percentage completion is how much? 40%. That is 40 divided by 100 multiplied by 100. Here it is how much percentage? 80%. The contractee pays 75% of work certified. So what is cash received? 75% of work certified. As and when the certified and makes the final payment on completion of the contract. The following information is available for the first year. Cost of WIP uncertified. What is this? Cost of uncertified. Is it right? That is uncertified. It will be regarded as closing stock. Notional profit transferred to costing P&L account at the end of year 1 on incomplete contract. Cost of work to the date is 88,000. Calculate the value of work in progress certified and the amount of contract price. See here, they have not told us to draw a contract account, but I am drawing a contract account, right? As simple as this, contract account credit side will be having work certified and work uncertified. You should not write down this in examination, but as it is first question, we are writing it down. What is work certified? We will be regarding work certified as credit sales and work uncertified closing stock. Work certified will be written at cost plus profit or only cost? Cost plus profit, because this is like a trading and P&L account. We write down sales at selling price and work certified always at cost. Is it all right? So closing stock is valued always at cost and work certified, that is credit sales, will be valued at sales. On debit side, there will be total cost and so on debit side I get answer of notional profit. Sir, there is no opening stock? No, because it is year 1, right? Let me write down all the figures which are available. Cost of work in progress uncertified. See, it is clearly written. It is a selling price of work uncertified or cost of work uncertified? Cost. Because this is closing stock, it should be valued at cost. Cost itself is given. So I can directly write down 8,000 rupees. Work uncertified is 8,000 rupees. Notional profit transferred to costing P&L account is 1,20,000. Cost of work to the date. Now this is current year's cost only because this is year 1, which is 88,000. Do you understand? Balancing figure will be what? Whatever is the balancing figure will be work certified. So we can find out work certified just as a balancing figure. This is 1,08,000 minus 8,000. So work certified will be 2 lakhs rupees. What will be work certified will be 2 lakhs rupees. So I have got the answer. Work certified is rupees 2 lakhs. The contract is estimated to be 80% complete. Percentage completion is equal to work certified upon contract price multiplied by 100. What is percentage completion given? 80. Work certified is 2 lakh. Divided by contract price multiplied by 100, I will be getting answer of contract price, which is 2 lakh 50,000 rupees is nothing but contract price. This I by mistake skipped out in the introductory session, but you all understand this, right? Percentage completion. If the contract price is of 2 lakh 50,000, work certified is of 2 lakhs, that means 80% of work as per architect is complete. And it is also written, contractee pays 75% of value of work certified. So cash received will be 2 lakhs multiplied by 75%, which is 1 lakh 50,000. All the answers are available. We can go ahead. Calculate the value of work certified and amount of contract price. They even not asked us cash receipt. 8.2. Premier Construction Company undertook a contract of 5 lakhs. Can you tell me what is 5 lakhs? Contract price. On 1st August. On 31st March, that is 8 months from the commencement, when the accounts were closed, the following information was available. So this question is also of first year. There will be no opening balances. Cost of work uncertified. Cash received is 80% of work certified, which is 2,50,000. Notional profit transferred to costing P&L account at the end of the year on incomplete contract 1,50,000. Calculate value of work in progress certified, degree of completion, cost of the contract as on 31st March. Again, I will be drawing a contract account so that I don't have to think much. I will be just telling the things and I'll be getting the answer. This is my contract account. On credit side, by WIP, work certified, work uncertified. Where work certified is credit sales, work uncertified is closing stock. So work certified should be written at selling price and work uncertified should be written at cost price. Cost of work uncertified. Are you getting it? It is not selling price of work uncertified. It is cost of work uncertified. I can directly write down 1,20,000 work uncertified. On debit side, it will be total cost. And on debit side, I will be getting answer of notional profit. Alright. Cash received is 80% of work certified, which is 2,50,000. Can you tell me what would be work certified? Is it not 2,50,000? What is given as a figure is cash received. Cash received is 2,50,000, which is 80% of work certified. So if 80% is 2,50,000, what will be 100%? Will be rupees 3,12,500. Will be nothing but my work certified. 3,12,000. Sir, how we will come to know that work certified is not at cost? Work certified is never given at cost. If it is given in the question, it is always at selling price. No one determines work certified at cost, right? Cash received 80% of work certified, which is 2,50,000 that we have taken into consideration. What will be cash received? 2,50,000, and work certified hence will be 3,12,500. Notional profit is 1,50,000. I will be getting balancing figure as total cost. It is how much? 2,82,500 is the total cost. This is probably answer number 3. Cost of the contract as on 31st March is 2,82,500. Value of work in progress certified. We have already found out 3,12,500. This is answer number 1. Answer number 2. Degree of completion. Percentage completion will be is equal to work certified upon contract price. Work certified is 3,12,500 divided by. I know if I want to find out answer in percentage, I will be multiplying it with 100. 3,12,500 divided by 5 lakhs, which is 62.5%. 8.3. Sir, now it will be difficult? No. Now total cost will not be directly given. You will have to find out. They will be giving details that material is this, wages is this. You need to just find out total cost. XYZ construction company took a contract for construction of a stadium on 1st April at a price of 160 lakhs. This is nothing but my contract price. The relevant information for the year ended 31st March are as under. Now this is in lakhs, this is in thousands. So 6,800 thousands is 68 lakhs, right? This is 34.5 lakhs. 200,000 is 2 lakhs. 50,000 is 0.5 lakhs. So let me write down everything in thousands. That would be better. Material returned to stores, material at site, payment received. Excuse me. The plant was purchased for 12 lakhs on 1st November and which was in use at a site up to 31st March. Depreciation is to be charged on the plant 15% per annum on straight line basis. Material costing 50,000 was stolen from the site. You are required to prepare contract account for the year ending 31st March, showing the profit to be taken in profit and loss account. Prepare a balance sheet showing the relevant items. I am drawing a contract account and a balance sheet. It will be pro forma balance sheet. It will not be a full-fledged balance sheet. I am going one by one. Contract price I don't write down in year 1's account. This was taken on 1st April. So opening balances will be 0. Material purchased for the contract. I am writing answers in thousands. So I can write down all figures as it is. Material purchase for the contract 6,800. Material purchase will come in which side? Trading P&L account. Debit side, is it alright? So it is same as trading P&L account. You just need to change some of the names. Like instead of trading P&L account, you just write down contract account. Material purchase the 6,800. Debit side to material purchased 6,800. The figures are in thousands. Direct wages paid 3,450 to direct wages. There are outstanding and prepaid in salary and wages. I'll be writing it in inner column 3,450. Salary is the 200. Direct wages prepaid at the end of the year. Can you tell me what to do with this? Direct wages prepaid at the end of the year. Subtracted, and if it is outstanding, it will be added because they are not expenditure of current year. Direct wages prepaid at the end of the year 50 minus prepaid 50. Are we drawing balance sheet? Yes. Will this go in balance sheet? Yes. Prepaid expenditure is our assets. So prepaid wages is 50. Where second effect of material purchase will go? Cash account or creditors account in our main books of accounts, right? Sir, then this is which books of accounts? This is books of accounts only for one particular contract, right? See, if it is a big builder, if it is a big project, they might write down a separate books of accounts for each project. Then you will have to prepare a profit and loss account, even balance sheet for that particular project. But normally the contract is small and the companies are big companies. A salary outstanding at the end of the year 100 plus outstanding 100. Outstanding salary is my liability. Materials returned to store. First tell me where it will come. In trading account, goods gone out by any means. Credit side, or it is reduced from purchase. In lower standard, someone learns like this, that it is reduced from purchase. Someone learns that it is written on credit side. Material returned to store is 150. By material return 150. All right. Help me logically where second effect will go. It should be debited. Agreed? But where? Debtors? You will subtract from debtors. Then add it in debtors. Creditors a subtraction. Where you are returning your material? Stores. So what does this mean? Try to understand the concept. This is a company. Try to visualize it. All right. See, this company will be having bricks stock, stock of sand, stock of cement, and this will be a head office of the company. Machineries like cranes, like lifts, n numbers of things which is related to construction, right? This is a site for which we are preparing contract. All right. Say this is in Rajkot. The site is in Bhavnagar. It is possible? Yes. Right. What happens is this is material. Now this contract requires bricks. What company will do? Will purchase the bricks and give it? No, it might be already having bricks with itself. So it will be issuing it to this contract account. Are you getting it? Some of the material might not be useful at site. It is possible. It might be in excess or might not be useful at the site. And so the material is returned over here. This is termed as material returned to stores. We are preparing books of accounts of head office. We are preparing only for this contract account. This is going out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. We have written it on credit side. My question is where the second entry will be passed by head office. What head office will pass the journal entry, or what contract account will pass the journal entry? Raw material of stores account debit to contract account. All right, contract account is credited. What will be debited is nothing but trading account of HO. The materials will come in trading account, will go out from a contract account. Ultimately, contract account is a trading account. So from contracts trading account, it will be credited, and in HO's trading account, it will be debited. It will be having any profit or loss in the business? No. It is material transferred from one place to another in the same company. All right. So here it will be credited. In HO's books, it will be debited. Material returned to stores. Material at site as on 31st March. It is 175, which is closing stock of material. It is 175 or 150, 175. What to do? Should we write down in profit and loss account material purchased or material consumed? Material consumed. What is material consumed? Opening plus purchase minus closing. Yes. Instead of subtracting from this, can I write down on credit side? Yes, we do it. We write down closing stock on credit side of trading account, right? By stock of material, which is nothing but 175. Will it go in balance sheet? Yes. Whose balance sheet this is? It is of contract or it is of whole company? Whole company, right? So it will be writing down material at site. And please understand, they will be also writing down the name of the site, XYZ. Because say they might be having contract at 100 places. Then this material is lying at which site, they should be knowing when they read the balance sheet. What is the figure? 170. Payment received from contractee, 80% of work certified. I want work certified. Cash received is 9440. Work certified is 9440 divided by 80%. I'm just doing cross multiplication in short. If 9440 is 80%, what is 100%? What is the answer? It is 11,800 rupees is work certified. Right now we are concentrating only on work certified. By WIP, work certified, work uncertified. Work certified is 11,800. Work done but not certified, assuming it is as cost, it is 500. Work uncertified is. A plant was purchased for rupees 12 lakhs on 1st November and was in use at the site up to 31st March. Depreciation is to be charged at 15% per annum on straight line basis. So it will be, I am finding out depreciation will be 12 lakhs multiplied by 15%. This is SLM depreciation. It was used for November, December, January, February, March. 5 months into 5 divided by 12. $7,000. 75,000. What I will be writing it in my contract account? 75,000. Only 75. Why? Because I am writing figures in thousands, right? So my depreciation will be 75. Please understand, sometimes the presentation of the 75 is done in this manner. And you should be knowing it. You should be knowing this presentation. What is the price at which this machinery was purchased? It is 2 lakhs, 12 lakhs, that is 1200. 1200,000 is 12 lakhs. So it is 1200. So the presentation is done in this manner. To plant purchased. How much? 1200. By closing value of plant. What is the depreciation of current year? 75. 1200 minus 75 will be 1125. Closing plant 1125. What is the net effect I am giving? Debit 75, which is of what? Depreciation. Sir, in practical life, which method is followed? Let me tell you clearly. If the plant which is purchased is for a specific site only, this is our site. Say if some machinery is to be purchased for this site only, after using this machinery, after this site is completed, we will sell off this machinery. So we will not be keeping this in our head office. Say a special type of lift is required for construction for this contract only. So you will purchase that lift, install that lift only at this particular site, right? When the contract is complete, what is your plan? You will keep this lift in your HO or you will sell it off? You will sell it off. So this is never going to come to your HO. So this lift is for specifically for this plant. I will be doing presentation in this manner. But if say it is a normal machinery, say a big crane, which is normally belonging to HO, it will be sent to all the sites and it is also sent over here. Then it is better to present it in this manner. Then only, because please understand, you cannot write down closing value of machinery in your contract account. It is giving a wrong picture. This machinery is of this contract or this machinery is of head office? Head office. Then it is better to write down only depreciation over here. Sir, in exam, both the methods will give you full marks, right? But in practical life, if the machinery is only for this project, it is better to show it in this manner. If the machinery is common for all the contracts, it is better to show only depreciation. Here I am showing only depreciation. Which is 75. Work done but not certified, we have written. Yes. A plant, we have provided depreciation. Material costing rupees 50,000 was stolen from the site. Is it a loss? Yes. Yes or no? Material costing 50,000. Whether it is normal or abnormal? Not normal? No, it cannot be regarded as a normal loss. It is a abnormal loss. All right. Abnormal loss should be ignored and transferred to costing P&L account. Agreed. If normal loss, it will be absorbed by good unit produced. If it is abnormal loss, it should be transferred to costing P&L account and not this contract account. So I will not be writing it in contract account. See, then you are incorrect. You don't know how to prepare trading account. All right. Goods worth rupees 5,000 were lost by fire. 11th standard give effect in final accounts. That is all right. I want effect in final account. Trading account credit side or purchase, you reduce it. But right now, let me explain you in trading account credit side and P&L account debit side, right? If the insurance company has accepted zero claim, then trading account credit side and P&L account debit side. Why you debit it to P&L account? Because it is your loss. Why you credit it to trading account? To verify your matching cost concept. This raw materials or this goods are not used in our contract. Then sales should be matched with cost of sales. Sales should be matched with COGS, cost of goods sold. So this is to be reduced from your purchase, or this should be written on credit side of trading account. First I am writing down on credit side of trading account. What is the loss? 50,000 by material lost 50. Don't write down 1000 because the figures are in 1000. See, do you understand? Out of this 6,800, we should ignore this 50 because they are not used in the project. It will not give us a true picture of the contract, right? Where it should be transferred, P&L account debit side. Now, contract account is your trading plus P&L. All right. So, it should be again debited to material. Then what effect I am giving? Nothing. All right. Please understand, it will not come over here. Right. It will come over here if it was normal. It will directly go in which account? Costing P&L account if it is abnormal. Where will be second effect? It will be transferred to costing P&L account. Because we have treated it as normal. See, after we are on the verge of completion of costing, now you should be absolutely clear with normal and abnormal. Had we written this 50 on debit side also, what is the net effect? 0. Net effect right now is 0. Remember process account. If the scrap value of normal loss was 0, what we were writing down in process account? 0, right? Normal loss is valued at 0 or scrap value, whichever is given. If it was 0, what we were writing down? Had this been a normal loss, we would have written 0. What does it mean? This 50,000 rupees loss is absorbed by this contract. This 50,000 rupees loss is absorbed by this particular contract. I'll tell you. There will be bricks which will be purchased. If it is a construction contract, bricks will be used in construction. Sometimes bricks gets broken. Say 10% of bricks normally breaks. They are normal or abnormal? Normal. You will not be writing it on credit side. Why? Because it is normal. It should be absorbed by contract. This is normal or abnormal? Abnormal. If it is abnormal, it should be transferred to costing P&L account. Who will prepare costing P&L account? HO will prepare costing P&L account. Say this contract is say ABC. How the costing P&L will look like, I'll tell you. It will be in the books of HO. This will be costing P&L. It will be written material stolen of how much? How many thousands? 50,000. At which site? ABC. Now understand the CEO of this company opening his costing P&L account. Alright. He will immediately call to the manager of this contract that why material of 50,000 rupees is stolen from your plant. Right. He will inquire it. Alright. If the bricks are broken, he should inquire or he should not inquire? He should not inquire. Right. So only we transfer this 50,000 to costing P&L account. Ultimately, it is written on debit side of costing P&L account and debit side of contract account. Does it make a difference to overall profit for the company? No. It is loss. Someone will have to bear it. Either contract or head office. Someone will have to bear that loss. But to inquire into this, it is directly written in costing P&L account. So second effect will be in costing P&L account. You are required to prepare contract account for the year ended 31st March showing prepare a balance sheet showing relevant items. Alright. Work certified, uncertified, total material, everything we are having it. This is 3,400. This is 300. you can find out notional profit. It is? All right. Let us also complete our balance sheet. In balance sheet, what should be written? You have done it in introductory session. Work certified, it is termed as which account? WIP account. Work uncertified minus cash received. Work certified is 11,800. Work uncertified is 500. This will be 12,300. Cash received is also given 9440. What is my net answer? It is 2860. I have explained you. Now you will give me the answer. Work certified is credit sales. Why we are writing down in balance sheet? Credit sales, the total is my debtors. Credit sales minus cash received is my debtors. So credit sales minus cash received is my debtors. The debtors I write down in balance sheet asset side. Just the formation is different, right? The way of presenting is different. Work uncertified, closing stock at cost, I can write it down in my. See, in our final balance sheet, it will be written like this. WIP account, which contract? ABC contract. If you will see final balance sheet of this particular company, if there are 200 projects, there will be how many items like this? 200 items like this. All right. So the readers of financial statement, say this is a balance sheet of HO. What will be given? WIP account of project A, B, C, and there will be n numbers of projects. All right. 200 crore, 300 crore. What does it mean? This 200 crore is amount to be received plus closing stock. That is debtors plus closing stock. Of which project? Project A, project B, contract A, contract B, contract C, contract D. And so the CEO or a person who is analyzing this company can easily analyze which projects are running, how much is the debtors, and all the things can be known from here. All right. 2,100 is our profit. If recognized, it will be transferred somewhere over here. Right? Notional 2,000. See, it depends upon the nature of the company, right? If it is a proprietorship firm, it will be added to capital. If it is a partnership firm, it will be distributed to the partners in relevant ratio. We will be going to 8.4. MKS Limited is engaged in construction sector. It took a contract to build a house for 45 lakhs. This is contract price. The contract commenced on 1st April of the financial year. The following information relates to the contract for the year ending 31st March. Again, it is first year. Material purchased is given, wages is given, indirect expenses are given, administrative charges is given, and material at site at the end of the year is given. The plant was purchased for the contract on 1st April, which after charging depreciation at the rate of 15% per annum on cost, appeared at 6,12,000 at the end of the year. A supervisor who is paid 10,000 per month has devoted 2/3 of this time to this contract. 2/3 of the contract was completed. The architect issued certificate covering 50% of the contract price. Alright. Can I easily find out work certified? Is 45 lakhs into 50%. Percentage completion is given, right? It is how much? 22 point. It is at cost or cost plus profit? How cost plus profit? We have done only 50%. This 45 lakhs is at cost or cost plus profit? Because it is a contract price which is at cost plus profit. So even 22.5 lakhs is at cost plus profit. The contractor has paid 90% of work certified on account. This is cash received, right? Cash received is 22.5 lakhs multiplied by 90%. It is not required because they are not telling us to draw balance sheet, but still give me the answer. 20 lakh, 25,000. The books of accounts are closed on 31st March each year. Required, prepare contract account showing work cost of the contract, value of work uncertified, notional profit, amount to be carried forward to profit and loss account. We are drawing a contract account. I am first writing down all the expenditures. Material purchased 8,52,000. Wages 10,48,000. Indirect expense 92,000. Administrative charges 1,18,000. Material at site at the end of the year 38,000. I can write it down on credit side. Material at 38,000. The plant was purchased for the contract on 1st April, which after charging depreciation at 15% on cost appeared to be 6,12,000 at the end of the year. It is just a puzzle type of the question. At the end of the year, WDV is 6,12,000. How much depreciation is charged? 15%. What will be opening balance? Or what will be the depreciation? If 100 was opening balance, depreciation was 15 and closing WDV would be 85. If you just cross multiply it, I will be getting depreciation. 6,12,000 into 15 divided by 85, which is 1,08,000. You can even verify the answer. This will be 7,20,000. So 7,20,000 into 15% should be 1,08,000. Depreciation is 1,08,000. supervisor salary. A supervisor who is paid 10,000 per month has devoted 2/3 of his time to this contract. So 1/3 he was working on some another contract. Supervisor's salary I'll be finding out separately. It is 10,000 into 12 into 2/3. Only 2/3 should be debited to this particular contract, which is 8 lakhs 80,000. Supervisor salary is 2/3 of the contract was completed. The architect has issued certificate covering 50% of contract price, and the contractor has been paid 90% of work certified, and so we got the answer of work certified 22,50,000. WIP work certified 22,50,000. The contractor has been paid 90%. That is not important. The books of accounts are closed on 31st March every year. All right. The only figure missing in this question is work uncertified. And this is the reason why we have taken this in classroom. Otherwise, the question was very easy. It is just writing on debit and credit side. Try to concentrate. It is asked up till 3 or 4 times. In this manner, you need to find out work certified. Can you find out total cost of current year? Total cost of current year. I have written in my account with blue color pen. Right? This minus this will be nothing but total cost of current year, which will be 8,52,000 plus 10,48,000 plus 92,000 plus 1,18,000 plus 1,08,000 plus 80,000 minus 38,000. What is the answer? 22,60,000. Total cost consumed, right? It is 22,60,000 rupees of current year. Is it all right? Please try to concentrate. The question says, concentrate over here. 2/3 of the contract was complete. Who have decided 2/3 is complete? We have decided that 2/3 is complete. No, sir, architect has decided. Architect has decided something else. Architect has issued the certificate covering 50% of contract price. So as per architect, how much percentage of contract is complete? 50. As per our case, how much percentage contract is complete? 2/3. 2/3 is how much percentage? 66.67 percentage. Is that all right? So for as per our opinion, 66.67% contract is complete. As per our calculation, how much is the total cost incurred during current year? 22,60,000. So try to understand. As per our estimate, 22,60,000 is a 66.67% of cost. Is it all right? So what would be 100% of cost? Cross multiplication. First find out the answer, then I'll explain you logically what is this. What is this figure? 89,000 830. It is exact or it is coming in decimal? Decimal. All right. 33,89,830. See, what does V's estimate? That total cost of this project is going to be 33,89,830. Out of which we have completed 2/3 of work, which is 66.67% of work, which is how much? 22,60,000. All right. Architect has given certificate of how much? Can you tell me? Architect has given certificate of how much? Only 50% of work complete? Find out 50% answer. You can do cross multiplication with anything. Huh? If you have not found out this answer, you can directly do cross multiplication with this also. So 50 into 22,60,000 divided by 66.67. Or you can do even cross multiplication with this. 91. See, once again, I estimate that I will be completing the contract at a cost of 33,89,830. Total cost incurred to the date is 22,60,000 in which year? One. Then what is this 33,89,830? It is total cost to be incurred as per our estimate. So we feel that 66.67% is complete. But architect has given certificate of only 50%. Correct. How much cost we have incurred? 22,60,000. How much architect has given certificate? 1,69,415. 16,94,915. Then difference between this two is nothing but work uncertified. First find out the answer. We are going to go into detail. 22,60,000 minus 16,94,915. What is the answer? 5,65,008. I am having only one problem. I am saying you this is work certified. The problem is work certified is not 16 lakh. It is 22,50,000. It is not 16,94,950. In original work certified, it is cost plus profit. Right now we are talking only about cost. We are talking only about cost. And this is how much, can anyone tell me? It is 16.67%. See, I have explained you in detail each and every point, right? What is the total estimated cost of our project? 33,89,830. We have not used this figure in current year because this is not the figure of current year. How much total cost we have incurred in current year? 22,60,000. That we might have written on debit side of contract account. If you see the net figure, we have written 22,60,000 in debit side of contract account. How much is work certified out of it? Only 16,94,915. Work certified at cost. This also we don't write down anywhere in P&L account. Total cost minus work certified at cost is work uncertified. This work uncertified will be at cost or cost plus profit. It will be at cost because this full page is only of. We have never taken selling price on this in this particular page. Sir, what to do in examination? Please try to concentrate. What is total cost of current year? 22 lakh 60,000. It is how much percentage? 2/3? I said, all right. How much will be work uncertified? 2/3 minus half? All of you agree? Let me write down in percentage. That would be better. This is 66.67%. All of you understand, right? 22 lakh 60,000 is not 100%. It is what percentage? 66.67%. What is work uncertified? 16.67%. I directly do the cross multiplication. The figure which I'll be getting is work uncertified. All right. So in examination, I will be doing only this. First question, you should write down this, right? To understand what we are actually doing. So it will be 16.67 multiplied by 22 lakh 60,000 divided by 66.67, which is 5 lakh 65,085. 5 lakh 60. Sir, where is 85? It is gone. Right? I have rounded off 85. Why? Even this is not 66.67. 2/3 is 66 point. All right. And so work uncertified will be 16.666666, and it will be rounded off. You can easily round it off. 5 lakh 65,000 is work uncertified. This was the only difficult point in this particular case. I can find out my notional profit. You don't need to do everything again, right? What you can do? 22 lakh 50,000 minus. What is your total cost? 20. It is not 20. 22 lakh 50,000 is your work certified. What is your cost? 22 lakh 60,000. Okay. Cost is more, right? 22 lakh 60,000 minus your closing stock 5 lakh 65,000. So you have already found out this blue color pen answer. You should just deduct 5 lakh 65,000 from it and 22 lakh 50,000 over here. Five lakh 55,000 will be notional profit, will be transferred to profit and costing P&L account or profit and loss account. What was good point? Only this portion. This was C 8.4. Okay. We are going to do a new point, which is escalation clause. C 8.5. First, understand the concept of escalation clause. See, I recently am constructing my own house, and I have given my house in a contract, right? So me and my contractor were sitting together, and we decided that, okay, this much square feet is there. So material cost will be, say, approximately 10 lakhs. Labor cost will be approximately 8 lakhs. And other overhead cost will be 8 lakhs. And there will be some profit margin for the contractor. And he told me that our contract price will be how much? 30 lakhs. All right. Now, the contract is to be completed in 2 years. Is it possible that this material price might rise? Yes. Who will be at loss? Contractor will be at loss, because ultimately house is mine. So if there is a material increase, I should bear that material cost. But say I have given in a contract. What I am saying you should construct my house. This is my house design. My house should look like this. You should construct it, and I will pay you how much? 30 lakhs. See, if the contract is for 1 year, there is a less risk to contractor, because the price might increase, might not increase. But if the contract is for a long period of time, and say as on today, the prices of construction materials are rising like anything. Rising like anything means there is probably 90% increase in cost of raw material since last 1.5 years. So if the material cost was 100 rupees, now it is costing 190 rupees. It is so much increase in last 1.5 years. So I was benefited like anything, because there was no escalation clause. See, sometimes the contractor will say this: if there is a price rise over and above 5%, if there is a price rise over 5, up till 5% price rise, it is all right, because I am also earning some profit. If there is a price rise, I will bear that loss and I will reduce my profit. But if there is a price rise more than 5%, whatever is the price rise more than 5%, we will share 50-50%. We will share 50-50%. When the contract was completed, please try to concentrate. When the contract was completed, actual cost of material was 15 lakh. Actual cost of material was how much? 15 lakh. What was estimated? 10 lakhs. Is there a price rise? By how much? 50%? The price rises by 50%. The escalation clause will trigger. Now this escalation clause will apply. Say if the cost was 10,20,000, how much percent is the increase? 20,000 divided by 10 lakhs into 100. 2%. What is the increase in material cost? How much percentage the material has increased? 2%. The escalation clause will not be triggered. This will be borne by contractor. Contractor will not increase my contract price. Alright. If the increase in price is more than 5%, this is how the actual escalation clause is decided. Right. See, if there is a 2% increase in raw material, contractor should bear it. If there is 2% decrease in raw material, he is benefited. This is the reason I have given it at fixed contract. If there is a reduction in material price, he will be benefited. If there is increase in material price, he should bear that cost. And the increase is only how much percentage? 2%. So this is the actual type of escalation clause which are written in the contract of contractor and contractee. If the actual cost is 15 lakhs, try to concentrate. What was decided by me and contractor? Any price rise over and above 5%. So first do 5% price rise. 10 lakh plus 5% is how much? 10 lakh 50,000 rupees. Any price rise over and above 10 lakh 15,000 is how much? Can you tell me? How much is the price rise? 4 lakh 50,000. Alright. Any price rise over 5% is a loss for contractor. See, contractor is still saying any price rise over and above 5%, we will bear 50-50%. So what contractor will still bear? 2,25,000, but he will charge 2,25,000 from. He will charge a 2,25,000 from me. And please understand, new contract price after considering escalation clause will be 32 lakh 20. Any escalation will increase the contract price. Any escalation will increase the contract price. Are you all getting this idea? Why he is still bearing 50% only and he is telling me to bear 50%? Should I not bear 100% of the cost? Contractor is very generous? No. Try to understand. I am giving this contract because I don't want to spend more than this. I am hiring a contractor so that my contract price becomes fixed. I don't want to expend more in my house. If I wanted to expand in my house, why would I would hire a contractor? I would hire an engineer only. I would purchase raw material on my own. I would purchase bricks, cement on my own. I would do contract labor and I will be constructing my house. I am hiring a contractor so that this price remains same. But this is an extreme situation where the contractor is at big loss, so he might keep an escalation clause of how much? This much. There might be different escalation clause for material labor. Is it all right? There might be same escalation clause for material and labor. What is difference of escalation clause? In labor, over 20%, we will bear 50-50. Is it all right? In labor, over 5%, you will have to bear 20, contractor will bear 80. It depends upon contract. Do you understand? This is not written in accounting standard, right? This will be written in the contract between contractor and contractee. See, when I started my house, what I did was this. He told me 30 lakhs with some escalation clause. I told I don't want to bear any risk. I am not ready to put in any escalation clause. Then he told that, okay, then let us fix a contract price of 32 lakhs. I gave him 2 lakhs more. Okay, the final contract price is 32 without any escalation clause. All right, now he is not benefited because the price has rose by 90%. So he is not actually benefited, but he might have been benefited. If the raw material price has gone down, then so this 2 lakhs rupees more is his profit. Why he has earned this profit? Because he took the risk. All right, because he took. Why I am paying 2 lakhs rupees more? Because I don't want to take the risk. Right. So escalation clause might be there in contract. It might not be there in contract. It depends upon contract to contract. Let us see this escalation clause. 8.5. A contract contains an escalation clause for following items of cost as under. Material X, 40% of cost, about 12.5% of normal price level. Material Y, 50% of cost, above 15% of normal price level, restricted to amount of 50,000. Material Z, 50% of the cost, about 10% of normal price level, restricted to amount of 75%. Labor, 20% of cost, about 10% of normal wage rate levels. It is to be noted that the provision to the above escalation clause stipulates that the any amount of escalation claim in excess of 1,50,000 should be ignored. The contractor submits following audited statement of the cost at a normal and actual price level. Compute the amount of escalation claim in this case. You need to concentrate in material X, Y, Z and labor. I will be also doing. You can also do it on your own. Material X. Had the normal price level prevail, what would be the cost? 3 lakhs. When the escalation clause will not be triggered, if the cost is about 12.5% of normal price level plus 12.5%, what is the answer? 3,37,500. So till the time the actual cost is 3,37,500 as a contractee, we don't have to do anything, right? It will be borne by contractor. What is the actual price? 3,80,000. 3,80,000 minus 337,500. 42,500 rupees. 42,500 rupees is rise in price of material X. No. Rise in price of material X is how much? 80,000. Correct. Then what is 42,500 rupees? Rise in price of material X over and above 12.5%. And as a contractee, I will have to bear 40% of that price rise over and above 12.5%. Multiplied by 40% will be increase because of escalation clause. 42,500 into 40%. 17,000. For material X, my contract price will increase by 17,000 rupees. You may try it out on your own also. Material Y. At normal cost, material Y would cost 4 lakhs. 50% of cost above, 15% of normal price level. So if it increases by 15%, there is no problem, which is 4 lakh 60,000. But it has increased to 5 lakh 80,000 minus 5 lakh 80,000. So over and above 15%, over 15%, the price rise is 1 lakh 20,000. But still, we are not bearing full price rise. We will be bearing only 50% of it multiplied by 50%. Remaining 50% will be borne by contractor, which will be 60,000 rupees. And one more. See, the price rise might be unlimited. Then the contractee might be at risk. So what contractee has added in the contract? Material Y 50% of cost above 15% of normal price level restricted to 50,000. So if it is more than 50,000, I will not give you more than 50,000. I will give you maximum 50,000. So restricted to rupees 50,000. This will be the final escalation. Material Z. Material Z 11 lakh 50,000 minus 9 lakh plus 10% multiplied by 50%. This will be 11 lakh 50,000 minus 9 lakh 90,000 multiplied by 50%, 80,000 restricted to 70 Labor, 20% of the cost, about 10% of normal wage rate. $14,50,000. All right. The escalation clause will be labor will be 14,50,000 is actual. Normal will be 12 lakh plus 20%. Multiplied by 20%, which is 2026. Total escalation will be 17,000 for X. For Y, it will be 50,000. For Z, it is 75,000. And for labor, 26,000. What is the total? 1,68,000. That will be also not my increase in contract price. Why? It should be noted that the provision to above escalation clause stipulates that any amount of escalation claims in excess of 1,50,000 shall be ignored. So 1,68,000 is there. Total escalation will be only 1,50,000 rupees, which is maximum. This was 8.5. We are going to 8.6. The following particulars relate to a contract which is estimated to be 80% complete. Total expenditure to the date is 8,50,000. Estimated further expenditure to complete the contract is 1,70,000. Contract price is 15,30,000. Work certified is 10 lakhs. Work not certified is 85,000 and cash received is 8,16,000. Compute the percentage of completion and notional profit of current year. Sir, percentage completion 80% is given. No, we will be finding out on our own because work certified is also given and contract price is also given. Compute the percentage completion of current year. I am finding out percentage completion. Work certified upon contract price multiplied by 100. 15,30,000. Sorry, 10 lakhs divided by 15,30,000. Multiplied by 100. What is the answer? 65.36%. So you feel it is 80%, but the architect has certified only 65.36%. Balancing will be work uncertified, but we don't have to find out in this manner because work uncertified directly is given. Find out notional profit of current year. I have prepared a big contract account, but a very small contract account would suffice. Contract account is prepared for total project or only for current year? Current year. So be careful in writing the figures. On credit side, I'll be writing work certified, work uncertified. Debit, total expenditure of the project or total expenditure of only current year? Only current year. Is it alright? That is cost up to date. Total expenditure to the date is 8,50,000. Estimated further expenditure, we will not be doing it. Contract price. Contract price comes in contract account? Contract price comes in contract account or not? No, only work certified. Only the contract price of current year, which is certified, comes in contract account. Work certified is 10 lakhs. Work uncertified is 85,000. I will be getting answer of notional profit. 10,85,000 minus 8,50,000. It is 55. 2,35,000. Which is nothing but notional profit. All right. Please understand, in this question, I can easily find out estimated profit also. What is the notional profit? 2,35,000. In normal situation, in practically each and every contract, I should do this. In other contracts, informations were not available. I am finding out estimated profit. We are through with contract account. No? We are out of contract account. Estimated profit can be found out by contract price minus total cost. What is contract price of this contract? 15,30,000. What is the total cost of this project? What is cost up to the date? 8,50,000. What is estimated further expenditure to complete the contract? 1,70,000. So total cost will be 8,50,000 plus 1,70,000 minus 15,30,000 will be estimated profit. It is 5,10,000. How much should be transferred to profit and loss account? Conservatism concept. 2,35,000. See, if in current year we have earned a profit of 2,35,000 and estimated profit is 5,10,000, I can transfer 2,35,000 in costing P&L account or P&L account depending upon the method which I am using for costing. 2,35,000 rupees will be transferred to profit and second question is interesting. What would be the estimated profit from the contract if the contractor has come to know that contractee has liquidity crunch and it is not able to make any further payments or honor this commitment under the contract? So we are 100% certain that the contractee is going to default. What is the estimated profit? Please try to understand. Whenever the debtors get liquidated, he gets insolvent. What you should think is this, as an accountant also, how much cash is received by you? Not work certified. Whatever is work certified, whatever we have received is more important now, because now further we are not going to receive anything. What is cash received? 8,16,000, which is given. Are we going to complete this project? No. See, if we know that contractor is now not going to pay, it is his contract, will now not be completing the contract. But have we done already some expenditure? Yes. What is the expenditure that we have already done? 8 lakh. Sir, what about this 1,70,000? Now I will not be doing. Right. So my cost is 8,50,000. Is my cost incurred? What is the answer? Negative 34,000 will be my loss and should be recognized to P&L account in that case directly because of conservatism concept. See, the day on which the contractee became insolvent, I forgot my mercantile system of accounting and went to cash system of accounting, right? Third is just a different situation. What will be the notional profit loss and estimated total profit loss if the total expenditure till the date were 11 lakh 30,000 instead of 8 lakh 50,000 and estimated future expenditure would be 7 lakhs. All other data in part 1 remains unchanged. I can draw another contract account for the same question and just find out the answer. Work certified figure is changing? No. Work certified is 10 lakhs. Work uncertified is remaining same, which is 85,000. To cost up to date is changing. Cost up to date is 11 lakh 30,000. I will be getting notional profit answer in case number 3. Is it loss? Yes. How much? I should write down on credit side. Notional loss is only this much? Yes. 45,000. I need to also find out estimated profit. Estimated profit is equal to contract price minus total cost. Contract price is remaining same, which is 15 lakh 30,000 minus total cost. Total cost will be 11 lakh 30,000 cost incurred up till the date and future expenditure of 7 lakhs, which is 18 lakh 30,000 minus 15 lakh 30,000, 3 lakhs rupees. What loss should be transferred to P&L account? Think and give the answer. 3 lakhs or 45,000? Which concept? Conservatism concept of accountancy. 3 lakhs rupees loss should be transferred because this project is going to end up in losses. See 8.7. A contract expected to complete in year 4 exhibits the following information. End of year 1, value of work certified, cost of work done, cost of work not yet certified, cash received. Year 2, value of work certified is given and all the details are given. The contract price is 10 lakhs and estimated profit is 20%. You are required to calculate how much profit have been credited to costing profit and loss account by the end of year 1, year 2 and year 3. Also compute estimated total profit. I'm starting with year 1. Now in this case, I'm not drawing contract account, but you need to understand this. Work certified plus work uncertified minus cost up to date. Cost up to date will be, or should I write down cost of current year? Cost of current year. I will be getting answer of notional. Work certified was 0. Cost of work not yet certified is 50,000. Cost of work done up till the date is same as of current year 50,000. And this will be 0. I want a good understanding of contract account. I'm drawing a contract account. Because in second year, logically, I can find out the answer, but your contract account will more be clear if you do it in this manner. Contract account I am drawing for year 1. Work certified is 0. Work uncertified is 50,000. Cost of current year is 50,000. Notional profit is 0. I am going to year 2. See, in year 2, I write down opening WIP over here. Work certified, work uncertified. Work certified in last year was 0. Work uncertified was 50,000. Credit side, by work certified, work uncertified of current year, year 2, value of work certified is 3 lakhs. Work uncertified is only 10,000. This will be a problem. You don't write down cost up till date. You write down cost of current year only. You cannot write down in trading account cost up till the date, right? You are, sir, work certified we have written up till the date. Yes, because we write down up till the date minus opening balance. That is nothing but work certified during the year. What is cost of current year? What is given is cost of work to the date. What is the cost incurred in year 1? 50,000. What is total cost incurred up till the end of year 2? 2,30,000. What will be cost incurred in year 2? 2,30,000 minus this 50,000. What is the answer? 1,80,000. I will be getting notional profit. What is notional profit in this? 80,000. I am going to year 3. See, I write down opening balance like this. Opening WIP, work certified. I write it from last year closing balance. What was last year closing balance? 3 lakhs. Work uncertified. Last year closing balance was 10. Once again, this 10,000 is logical. Why? It was closing stock of last year. It is opening stock of current year. This 30,000 is not logical. 3 lakhs is not logical. Why not logical? What is it? Credit sales up to year 2. It is not credit sales of year 2. In this case, it is. But normally, what you write down is credit sales of year 1 and year 2 is how much? A total 3 lakhs. All right. It will be compensated when you write down something on credit side. By work certified. What is your work certified in year 3? 8 lakhs. Please try to concentrate on just 2 figures. What is 8 lakhs? Work certified of third year? No. Work certified of your project. How much total work is completed is how much? It written on which side? Credit side. 3 lakhs is Work certified of year 1 plus year 2. So 8 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs rupees will be work certified of current year. That is nothing but credit sales of current year. This itself was an opening stock. We can go ahead. Work uncertified year 3 also there is cost of work uncertified at 20,000. Cost of year 3. Here we don't write down accumulated or cumulative figure. We need to find out cost of year 3. How I will find out? 6,60,000 minus 2,30,000 minus 50,000. Yes or no? What is 6,60,000? Total cost of year 1 and year 2. What is 50,000? Year 1 total cost. What is 6,60,000? Year 1, year 2 and year 3. Total cost is 6,60,000 up to the date. Cost of work up to the date is 6,60,000. 6,60,000 minus 2,30,000 will be cost of year 3, right? 6,60,000 is for 1 plus 2 plus third year. Minus 2,30,000 is for first year and second year. So I will be getting answer of third year. 6,60,000 minus 2,30,000 is 4,30,000. 4,30,000 I will be getting notional profit. What is notional profit? 80,000 again. Our answer is correct. It should be 80. Notional profit of year 3 is 80,000. Yes. Total notional profit is 1,60,000. But that cannot be written as notional profit of year 3. 1,60,000 is total estimated profit, right? They are also telling us to find out estimated profit. I can find out estimated profit. Total contract price, ten lakhs. Multiplied by the estimated profit is 20%. Which is they have given two options, but I think this is most appropriate option to find out estimated profit. Cash received does not play part in finding out notional profit, neither in estimated profit, because we are writing our books of accounts on mercantile basis. We are going to start C8.8. ABC Construction Limited commenced a contract on 1st April of year 1. The contract price was 40,68,750. Actual expenditure of the contract for year 1, 12 months, and estimated expenditure of year 2 up to the completion of the contract are as under. And in year 2, there are only 9 months, and these figures are estimated. So what has happened? The contract might be of 1 year and 9 months. 1 year is actually completed, so you are having actual figures for 1 year and estimated figure for 9 months. Material issued to size, labor charges paid, outstanding, machinery purchased, expenses, material, labor, expenses, machinery purchased is given, machinery returned to stores. Now this is important. Machine also in contract account are sometimes returned to stores. I explained you this. There is an head office. There might be n numbers of cranes, n numbers of lifts which are lying at head office. They will be issuing the fixed asset or machineries to the contract, and the contract might be returning back some machines to the head office. This is machines returned to stores. They are not materials. Materials at site, work in progress certified, that is work certified, WIP uncertified, cash received. Depreciation on machinery is charged at 25% WDV. Now they have taken two opinions. If it is written 25% WDV, you can charge a 25% for 9 months also. Alright. Is it written per annum? No. But our understanding says whenever the percentage are given and if nothing is given, we should consider it as per annum. Both the concepts will be treated as correct answer. It is estimated that the contract will be completed on target date. Required, prepare contract account for year 1 and 2. It is not and 2. It is prepare contract account for year 1 and number 2, estimate the total profit on the contract. We will be also telling them what should be the notional profit which should be transferred to P&L account based upon estimated profit. I will be preparing contract account, but I am preparing this three costs separately: material, labor, and expenses. Material, labor, and expenses for year 1, for year, of course, year 2 is estimate. Contract account will be prepared for year 1, 2 both. It is always year wise. It is never prepared in consolidated manner. It is prepared to find out notional profit which is for a particular year only. I am first going to material. Material issued to site, that is input, material purchased for contract 6,84,000. 6,84,000 is, I'll be doing it is very simple. Opening plus purchase minus closing. This is purchased. Not purchased from outside, but purchased from head office. 6,84,000. 6,80,000. Opening will be 0. All of you agree? Because this is first year. And in first year, material at site was 45,000. I am also doing estimated for year 2. I will be using same method. Do you understand? Opening will be 45,000. 45,000 we have not recognized in year 1. It should be recognized in year 2. Plus 12,21,000. Minus, even there is closing in year 2. Material at site is 1,12,500. Can you tell me both the answers? 6,84,000 and it is And this is I am going to labor. Labor charges paid is 4,57,500. 4,57,500. Labor outstanding at the end of the year is 34,500 plus 34,000. What is the answer? 4,93,000. 4,92,000. Labor in year 2. Now this will be difficult. 6,04,500 plus outstanding at the end of the year is 52,500. That's it. Labor paid plus outstanding. That is all right. Exactly. Previous year outstanding should be deducted minus 34,000. Can you tell me why it should be deducted? In current year, it is included in this figure, but it is not current year's figure. It is previous year's figure, right? It was not included in this. This is the paid figure. So we have added it in year 1. In current year, it would have been paid, but it is not an expenditure of current year. What is the answer of this? 6,22,000. Let us go to other expenses. Paid is 1,50,000. Prepaid is 33,750. 1,50,000 minus, because it is prepaid, 33,750. What is the net answer? Next year, expenses paid is 2,62,500. There is no prepaid, so minus 0. What to do about 33,750? Add it, right? Last year it was deducted because they were not expenditure of current year. Current year it should be added because it will not be included in this figure. 33,750. This is more of accountancy. What is the answer? 2,96,000. Machine is, believe me, extremely difficult. I am drawing depreciation of machine over here. I'll do a best way to solve it. What was machine purchased? 3,37,500. What is material machine return? 1,12,500. It is returned after 12 months. I am assuming machine is purchased on first day. So first year is not a problem. First year, 3,37,500 multiplied by 25% will be my depreciation. What is the answer? 84,370. This will be depreciation for year 1. We are going to do depreciation for year What will be depreciation for year 2? Please try to concentrate. The original machine was costing how much? 3,37,500. Out of which, how much cost of machine is returned? See, WDV of machine is not returned. What is returned is original cost of machine. How much original? This is original cost? Yes. How much original cost of machine is written? 1,12,500. So what is other machine? Can you tell me what is other machine? 3,37,500 minus 1,12,500. 4 lakh. 2 lakh 25. 2 lakh 25,000. You have provided depreciation on both the parts. Huh? You have already provided depreciation. Can you help me out? Multiplied by 25% of 2,25,000. 56,250 and 1,12,500 into 25%. 125. Can you find out total of this two? 56,250 plus 28,125. It should be 84,375. So we have provided this depreciation. Is it alright? Actually, year 1 calculation should be done in this manner only. Is it alright? What is the total depreciation of year 1? Is 84,375. What is WDV of this portion of machine? 2,25,000 minus 56,250. It is 1,750. What is WDV of this machine? Forget it. Now it is written. Now this portion of machine is already written. This contract will not have to provide depreciation for this part. This contract will not have to provide depreciation for this part. Multiplied by 25%. 1,68,750 multiplied by 25%. What is the answer of depreciation? Sir, should we do into 9 multiplied by 12? You should do it if you want it. 42,188 is also a correct answer. I am assuming whether it is used for 9 months or 12 months, I will be providing depreciation of 25% on WDV. Sir, material returned after 9 months, that is not important. That is important to find out year 3 depreciation, which is not our concern, right? Our concern is, what is 42,188? Year 2 depreciation. So I am having some figures of year 1, year 2. Other figures are already given over here. I have considered all those points. I am drawing contract account. Please understand, contract account is only for year 1. I will be writing down figures of year 1 only. Work in progress certified 19,12,500 by WIP. Work certified 19,12,500. Work uncertified 60,000. To materials 6,39,000. To labor, I have already made all the adjustments, so I can now directly write down the figure. 4,92,000. To expenses 1,16,250. To depreciation 84,375. Don't write down 42,188. It is depreciation of year 2. 84,375. I will be getting answer of notional profit. What is answer of notional profit? 64087. They are also telling me to find out estimated profit of the project. And there is a single way for finding out estimated profit. Contract price minus total cost. Don't get confused in work uncertified. Work uncertified comes into picture when there is work certified. When we are taking contract price, it is selling price of my full project. I should be taking cost of my full project. Contract price is how much? 40,68,750. What will be my total cost? I'll tell you. Material, labor, expenses, and depreciation. But material I should be taking total. Total will be 6,39,000. This is year 1. Second year is estimated, of course, but it is 11,53,500. Year 1 labor is 4,92,000. Year 2 labor is 6,22,500. Expenses is 1,16,250. Year 2 is 2,96,250. Depreciation year 1 is 84,375. Year 2 is 42,188. This is my estimated profit of a project. Not of year 1, year 2. It is of total project. What is the answer? $6,22,687. This is not asked in the question, but we are solving it. What is the notional profit for year 1? 6,40,875. What is the estimated profit of a project? 6,22,687. Which is lower? 6,22,687 will be transferred to costing P&L. Sometimes, sir, you write down P&L account. Sometimes you write down costing P&L account. I write down P&L account when I follow integrated system of accounting. When I follow non-integrated system of accounting, I'll transfer it to costing P&L account, right? This is because of which concept? Conservatism. See, the actual learning does not come because we all prepare for examination. This is done. This will be transferred to costing P&L account. We don't get this type of doubts because they are not asked in examination. What is the debit effect we have given? 640, 875. What is the debit credit effect I am telling you to give? 622, 687. This will not match. This is actually debited. Yes, contract account is an actual part of your books of accounts, whether integrated or not integrated. But suppose it is integrated. This will be part of your actual financial books of accounts. This is which side? Debit side. This figure should go on credit side. So in your P&L account, now it will not be costing P&L account because it is integrated. I am telling you that in your P&L account, say this is contract tax. In contract tax, you transfer what to P&L account? 622, 687. Where the difference will go? There is a difference. You have given debit effect of how much? 640, 875. What is the difference? Can you tell me? 622, 687 you have only credited. It is 18,188. What you will do? Now see, you understand that this will be transferred to costing P&L account. You write it down even in your book and they give you marks without understanding what actually you will do. When you will actually go to some companies, what should we do to 18,188? Where you will write down suspense. Suspense is an account which is created when you don't get something. This you are knowing 18,188. You are recognizing or you're not recognizing? Not recognizing in P&L account because of conservatism concept. Agreed. But your books of account balance sheet will not tally. You have debited something and credited something. So understand 18,188 will be in your balance sheet. It is as good as reserve or it is unrecognized profit. How much? 18,188. This is balance sheet. Right? Have we recognized or not recognized? We have not recognized it. Alright. See, if we are individual, this figure will be transferred to P&L account. Capital account. But this figure will be carried forward. Now one more question. If it is carried forward in next year, what you will do? It will appear in contract account credit side as an opening balance or reduction from your WIP. You draw this in contract account debit side, opening WIP. This notional profit will be deducted or it will be written on credit side. What is the profit? 18,188. What is this? Previous year profit. Recognized or not recognized? Not recognized. So current year notional profit will increase by this much. Yes. Actual profit if less. Actual profit if less. I will be recognizing that profit. In which account? P&L account. What is this? Profit earned in previous year because of conservatism concept not recognized in previous year. What is this? Suppose there is an opening work uncertified. Say it is 10,000. Let me write down even the figure. What is this? Expenditure incurred in previous year. Because of matching cost concept, we are not writing off in previous year and carrying it forward to current year. If the expenses comes over here, income will come over What is this 10,000? Expenses not recognized in previous year. What is this? Income not recognized in previous year. Is it all right? But for examination purpose, this is enough. But somewhere you find out that this much portion will not be recognized as a profit in P&L account. This is the effect which we give. Current year balance sheet will be writing down as liability side unrecognized profit, unrecognized reserves and provisions, unrealized profit, anything we can write it down. Next year in that income account we'll be writing it on credit side. This looks weird because there is no unrealized profit which we carry forward. At least up till now you have not learned it. Anything which is done in P&L account. See 8.9. Only one point is there which is good in this particular question. A contractor prepares his accounts for the year ending 31st March each year. He commences a contract on 1st September 2018. The following information relates to 31st March 2019. Can you tell me number of months? 7. Those are 7 months books of account. Material sent to site, wages paid, wages outstanding, sundry expenses, material returned to supplier. Directly you have returned it to supplier. It does not make any difference to us. Plant purchased, salary of supervisor, devotes 1/3 of his time on contract, material at site as on 31st March 2019. Sum of the material costing rupees 10,000, this is the only good point, was found unsuitable and was sold for 11,200. On 31/12/2018, plant which cost rupees 25,000 was transferred to some other contract, and on 31/1/2019, plant which was costing 32,000 was returned to stores. The plant is subject to annual depreciation of 15% on written down value method. The contract price is 45 lakhs. On 31st March 2019, 2/3 of the contract was completed. The architect issued certificate covering 50% of the contract price. So this will be that method whereby we need to find out total cost of this particular year. Prepare contract account and show the notional profit or loss as on 31st March 2019. We are preparing contract account with blue color pen. I will be writing down all the cost. With black color pen, I will be writing down the incomes. And this is contract account for 7. Material sent to site 18,75,000. Wages paid 9,28,500, inner column. Wages outstanding 84,800. Sundry expenses 33,825. Material returned to supplier 15,000. Plant purchase 3,75,000. Depreciation I will be doing it separately. Salary of supervisor, I can write down the working note. It is 15,000 multiplied by 7 months only, multiplied by 1/3, which is 35,000. Supervisor salary 35,000. Material at site, this is closing balance of material 2,16,800. Some of the material costing rupees 10,000 was found unsuitable. It was not a loss, but they were found unsuitable for this particular contract. Say a material is brought in from head office. Now this material cannot be used in this particular project because of some reason. You returned it or you sold it? You sold it. At a loss or profit? Profit. Of how much? 11,200. Alright. What was the material costing? 10,000. Try to understand. This is the journal entry which you should pass in your books of account. One is bank account, right? Which we don't prepare. 11,200. To material. How much materials are going out? This is going out from our contract, right? Where this is credited in our normal books of accounts, trading account, but this is contract account. Still there is a balance of 1,200. What is that? Profit. This is abnormal profit or normal profit for this particular contract. It is normal. No. I'll tell you, what if you treat this as a profit which is normal? I am treating it as normal. Please try to understand. I am treating it as normal. I will be writing down with this blue color pen by material $11,200. I have credited contract account by how much? 11,200. And I will be debiting bank by how much? 11,200. What does this mean? This material is having some 10,000 rupees raw material which are not related to this particular contract. You have written on debit side 10,000 rupees already included in this figure, 18,75,000. And you have sold it at what rate? 11,000. So there is a profit of 1,200 which will be showing in my notional profit of 1,200. It will be something else, but it will be plus 1,200, right? Is this 1,200 profit of this particular contract? No, it is not of this contract. What has happened is we brought in some material from head office which were not suitable for our project. So we directly sold it into the market, which earned a profit of 1,200, which is not normal for this particular contract. It is a profit for the company. It will go somewhere, but it should not be recognized in which account? Contract account. See how I'll be actually recognizing it. This 10,000 is all right, but it is included in the figure of 18,75,000. I will be writing down by materials 11,200 to costing P&L account. How much? 1,200. What is the net effect? 11,200 minus 1,200? 10,000. 10,000 is already added in the cost of material. What is the net effect in my contract account? 0. Net effect in my contract account is 0. I am ignoring this material while finding out my notional profit. That's all right. Where 1,200 will go? Costing P&L account credit side as abnormal profit or loss? Profit. That's all. Had I written only 11,200 on credit side of contract account, I would have treated it as a normal profit. All right. If I write down 11,200 on credit side and 1,200 on debit side, it is treated as abnormal profit. This will be transferred to costing P&L account. In that case, we don't transfer anything to costing P&L account. Now you can see this light blue color pen. Net effect will be 0. right? So we have not considered this material at all as far as this project is concerned. But we have earned a profit of 1,200, which will be transferred to costing P&L. This was the only good point. On 31/12/2018, plant which was costing 25,000 was transferred to some other contract, and 31/1/2019, plant which was costing 32,000 was returned to store. The plant is subject to 15% depreciation on WDV. I can easily do it. Depreciation. What is the total cost of the plant? 3,75,000. See, I'll give you a way by which you will not be making any mistake. Divide it into three parts. Sum of the plants was written on 31/12/2018. Plant which costed 25,000, which costed 25,000. It was returned on 31/12/2018. Returned on 31/12. And 31/1/2019, that is January, you have returned 32,000. Whether it is returned or it is given to some another contract, we don't know. 32,000, 25,000 is 57,000. 3,75,000 minus 57,000. Other plants is how much? 3,18,000. This plant is used for how many months? 3,18,000 rupees plant is used for 12 months. No. We started from 1st September, right? Or 31st September. 1st September. So this plant was used for 7 months. September to 31st March. This plant was used for September, October, November, December. 4 months. This plant was used for September, October, November, December and January. 5 months. On this, calculate depreciation of 7 months, on this for 4 months, on this for 5 months. The rate is 25%. Rate is 15%, sorry. So it will be 3,18,000 into 15% into 7/12. 25,000 into 15% into 4/12. 32,000 into 15% into 5/12. What is individual answer? Can you tell me? 27,825. This is 1,250. This is, what is the total depreciation? $31,070. Depreciation is 31,075. Depreciation 31,075. So I have done even depreciation. Other all figures I have taken into consideration. The contract price right now not important. On 31st March 2019, 2/3 of the contract was completed. The architect issued certificate covering 50% of contract price. All right. Can you find out the total cost? See, I'm just presenting it in different manner by total cost. This is the figure I'll be getting as a balancing figure. This will be nothing but my total cost. I need to add wages. 10 lakh 13,300. 10 lakh 13,000. You need to deduct depreciation, this costing P&L 1200, everything. I want the balancing figure. ₹27 lakh 46,000. Say I'm just extending this contract account. Sir, it is compulsory to present in this manner. The answer is no. Total cost, I am bringing it over here. Total cost of current year is 27 lakh 46,000. On credit side, I am writing down WIP, which is work certified and work uncertified. This balancing figure will be nothing but my. You understand this, right? It is the same thing. The contract price is 45 lakhs. On 31st March 2019, two-thirds of the contract was completed. The architect issued certificate covering 50% of contract price. So I can find out work certified. It is 45 lakhs into 50%. 22.5 lakhs. Work certified, you can find out 22.5 lakhs. 22 lakh 50. The architect issued certificate 50%, but you think two-thirds of the contract was complete. Please understand. How much cost you have incurred? Why? We are see what we are finding out first. We are finding out work uncertified and it is always at cost. So we should even start with cost. Total cost of 27 lakh 46,400. 27 lakh 46,400. What we feel is our percentage completion? 66.67%. That is 66.67%. How much a certificate we have got? 50%. That means 16.67% is work uncertified. And this is cost. So work uncertified, I'll be getting it at cost. We have done previously this type of question with similar type of percentage, right? 27 lakh 46,400 into 16.67 divided by 66.67. 6,86,700. 6,86,700. Is cost of work uncertified 686,700. I will be getting answer of notional profit, which will be 190. I'm not going into detail of much of this because in one sum we have calculated each and everything regarding this. This is the way in which you should do it in examination. There will be some difference of 100 rupees. What is the answer? 190, 300. This was 8.9. Next question is 8.10. It is of how many marks? 5 marks. November 2020. Student used to think that contract account is an easy thing, and ultimately this question was asked, right? This will really test your knowledge rather than just format, right? A contract account is an account whereby just if you know the format, even if you don't know that what is work certified and what is work uncertified, you can easily find out the answers, right? But here real understanding will be required. W Limited undertook a contract of rupees 5 lakhs on 1st July 2019. On 30th June 2020, when the accounts were closed, so accounts were closed after 12 months only, 1st July to 30th June, about contract was gathered. Material purchased 1 lakh, wages paid 45,000, general expenses 10,000, material on hand on closing is 25,000 and wages accrued is 5,000. Work certified is given is 2 lakhs. Cash received is given is 1,50,000 and work uncertified is 15,000. The above contract contains escalation clause which read as follows. So this is in inverted commas. What does it mean? They have taken this statement from the contract. In contract, this statement is written. In the event of increase in the price of material and the rate of wages by more than 5% the contract price, by more than 5%, the contract price would be increased accordingly by 25% of the rise in the cost of the material and wages beyond 5% increase in each case. What does this mean? Up till 5% increase, escalation clause will not be triggered. Over and above 5%, whatever there is increase in cost, 25% will be borne by contractor and 75% will be borne by contractor. It was found that since the date of signing the agreement, the price of material and wage rate increased by 25%. The value of the work certified does not take into account effect of above clause. Should work certified take effect of above clause? Yes. Work certified is percentage of contract price. If escalation clause is triggered, contract price will increase. And so he should take it. But he is an architect. He knows something about drawing building and implementing the buildings or how to construct a building. He does not know about this clauses. So he has not included in which figure work certified. Calculate the real value of work certified after taking the effect of escalation clause as on 30th June 2020. The contract is of how much? 5 lakhs. And what is work certified? 2 lakhs. Does include the escalation clause or does not include the escalation clause? It does not include the escalation clause. All right. As per architect, how much percentage of work is completed? As per architect, he is not correct because we need to find out work certified. If we write down this figure, it will not be correct. So, architect says, see, he comes to the building and he says that 2 lakh divided by 5 lakhs multiplied by 100 is how much? 30 or 40? 40. 40% of work is complete. See, he does not know much of the calculation. He will be knowing calculation, but he does not know much of the calculation. What he will come and say that, okay, this is the project, 40% of work is complete. All right, as per our estimate, 40% of work is complete. And what is your contract price? 5 lakh multiplied by 40%. So 2 lakhs rupees is worth certified. Has he considered escalation clause or he has not considered escalation clause? He has not considered escalation clause. All right. We are doing working note number 2. Escalation clause is on everything or only on something? It is on price of material and rate of wages. So what is the material cost? Let me find out first. Material cost will be 1 lakh minus 25,000, right? Material on hand, which will be 75,000. And wages will be 45,000 plus 5,000. That is rupees. Total material and wages is at 1,25,000. All of you agree? All right. This is at base price or this is at increased price? This is actual cost or what should be the cost when we have determined the contract or when we have signed the contract? It was found that since the date of signing the agreement, prices of material and wages rate has increased by 25%. So this cost is at 100% or 125%. All right. When the contract was assigned, one brick was costing, or say 10 brick, 100 brick was costing 100 rupees. All right. This is when we signed the contract. Let me take 20 bricks. 20 bricks was costing 100 rupees. At the end of 1 year, this 100 bricks is costing 125 rupees. There is an increase of 25%. All right. My point of saying is this all figures are at this rate or are at this rate. It is at 125. They are actual figures. They are the figures after taking into consideration price. They will have to consider the price rise. You will be paying 125 rupees or 100 rupees. Can't you say to your seller that at the time of entering into contract, we have decided 100 rupees, so you sell us bricks at 100 rupees. No, he will be selling at current market price. So you will be writing down your raw material and wages at current market price, which is at 100% or 125%, 125%. All right. So all of you agree? This is at the rate of 125%. What will be at 100%? 1 lakh? All right. What does the escalation clause says? Up till 5% increase, it is all right. Over and above 5% increase, escalation clause will be triggered. So can I do this? 1,25,000 minus 1 lakh plus 5% that we have done in previous escalation clause sum. Up till 1,05,000 rupees, escalation clause will not be triggered. Over and above 1,05,000, this is how much? 20,000. You can also do this, 1 lakh into 20%. Why only 1 lakh into 20%? 25% increases price rise, but 5% is not considered. So only 20% will be considered. So 20,000 rupees. You will have to bear full 20,000 or some portion of 20,000. 25% of the rise in cost of material. Contract price would increase accordingly by 25. So don't get confused by this 25% and this 25%. What does this 25% means? 25% will be borne by contractee and 75% of this price rise will be borne by contractor. What is the answer? 20,000 into 25%. It is 5,000 rupees. Now please understand. What was the contract price? 5 lakh. Now the contract price will become 5 lakh 5,000 because of a first year increase in material and wages. Now onwards the contract price will be 5 lakh 5,000. Please understand, contractee will never go to pay the workers, will never go to pay the material. That is paid by contractor. Contractor will now be having a new contract price of 5 lakh 5,000, right? What will be new contract price? New contract price after considering escalation clause 5 lakh 5,000, that is a 5 lakh plus because of escalation 5,000. What is architect told? What is the percentage completion? 40%. 5 lakh 5,000 into 40%. It is 2 lakh 2,000 is actually work certified after considering escalation. Now the contractor is going to get 5,000 rupees more, but he will not be recognizing full 5,000, he will be recognizing only 40% of it. This price rise has happened in current year. 5,000 rupees should be technically recognized in current year because your cost of raw material has increased in current year. But again, you will be having that provision. So whenever income is earned, you cannot credit it to profit and loss account or contract account as and when it is earned. You will have to use conservatism concept. Alright. This is never asked in examination, but I am asking you. Because of increase in raw material and wage rate, what will be the loss to contractor or what will be the reduction of profit to contractor? What was this? 20,000. How much contractee is bearing? So this much contract price has increased. So what cost will be borne by contractor? 15,000 plus this 5%. That 5% contractee is not taking at all. Beyond that 5%, only 25% is taken by contractee. So beyond that 5%, 75% will borne by contractor, and that 5% will also be borne by contractor, which is 5,000. So total 20,000 will be borne by contractor. What is the price rise? Total 25,000. 5,000 is borne by contractee and 20,000 is borne by contractor, right? This was excellent question. If it is asked for first time, I don't expect you can solve it. But if it is asked again, you can easily solve it. Suppose this type of question is asked. It is never asked before. What will be the reduction of profit or cost to contractor because of price rise? It is very simple. What is price rise? 25,000. What is borne by contractee or how much contract price has increased? 5,000. So total cost or loss to contractor will be 20,000. 8.11. Brick Construction Limited commenced a contract on April 1, 2020. The contract was for rupees 10 lakhs. This is contract price. The following information relate to contract as on 31st March 2021. This is exactly 1 year. The value of work completed up to February 28, 2021. So it is before 1 month. Was certified by the architect, and as the matter of the policy, the contractee has retained 1,30,000 as retention money, which is 20% of certified work, and paid the balance amount. Alright. So what contractee has done is, contractee always pays 80% of work certified to the contractor. This means this. He has retained how much? Which is 20% of work certified. So I am a contractee. You are a contractor. What I do? If 100% of work certified is there, 20% I will retain and 80% I will pay you. As a contractee, I will pay to contractor. Which figure is given? See, in some questions this 100% figure is given. In previous some questions 80% figure was given. Here 20% figure is given. What is retained? 1,30,000. We are interested in work certified. Six lakh. 50,000 will be work certified. The cost of work completed subsequent to the architect certificate was of rupees 30,000. So this is in March, right? You have taken architect certificate in February and this is of March. The expenditure incurred relate to the material purchased, wages and other chargeable expenses were 5,10,000. Material of 20,000 were lying at site. A special plant was purchased specifically for this contract at the rate of 40,000. And after use on this contract till 31st March 2021, it was valued at 25,000. So you can write down opening, closing, or you can write down depreciation of 15,000. You are required to compute the value of work certified, which we have already done. Cash received for certified work, 6,50,000 minus 1,30,000, or you can even do 6,50,000 into 80%. 5,20,000 rupees will be cash received, because they are asking us to find out cash received. And notional profit of the contract for the year ended 31st March 2021. Alright, I am having a contract account by WIP work certified, but it is only up to 28th February, which is 6,50,000. I am first ignoring this 30,000. I'll be coming back again. The expenditure related to material, wages and other chargeable expenses were 5,10,000. Material on site 20,000. A special plant was purchased specifically for this contract at 40,000. So this is depreciation of 15,000. Let me go to this. The cost of work completed subsequent. Subsequent is in March, right? Because you have taken architect certificate on 28th February. So March you have not done anything. Architect certificate was 30,000. Is this certified or not? This is expenditure of March. You have taken certificate on 28th February. This is not certified by the architect. I am writing it as a work uncertified. of how much? 30,000. What about work certified of March? You have taken work certified certificate as on which date? 28th February. All right. So what about work certified of March? Have you certified it or you have not certified it? You have not certified. Have you completed some work in March? Yes. Of cost how much rupees? 30. So if you go to architect, he might say you that you have completed work of more 35,000 or 32,000. He might say you. All right. Are you going or not going? Not going. Try to understand what is considered as credit sales. I have told you what is considered as credit sales. Only work certified. Try to understand. I am constructing a building which is still incomplete. I cannot recognize my profit till the time there is reasonable certainty. Now the building is not complete, right? There might not be a slab on it. Then what is the reasonable certainty that income will occur or I will complete the job? So I am hiring an architect who gives me a certificate that okay, this is work certified. And once he gives the certificate, I am getting a reasonable assurance that okay, 40%, 50%, 80% work is complete. So I am recognizing 80% or 50% or 30%, whatever is applicable of my contract price as credit sales. So if you want to recognize something as credit sales, what you need? An architect certificate of work certified. Have you taken for March? No, then it will be your work uncertified. If you don't take architect certificate, everything will be work uncertified. Is it all right? Everything will be closing stock. You are not taking the certificate because you don't want to recognize your profit. Then everything will be regarded as work uncertified. All right. For March, you have incurred the expenditure of 30,000, not taken any certificate. It will be regarded as work uncertified. March work certified will not be in the picture. And there is no other work uncertified. I can just total out. I will be getting answer of notional profit. What is the answer? 1,70,000. See, whenever the notional profit is asked, it is always advisable to draw contract account. Even if it is not asked that you draw a contract account, notional profit, you can logically always do it by preparing a contract account.